Hello everybody, welcome back to Green Cover Initiative, introducing you to the beautiful world of plants. Today's plant is this pesky little weed, Congress grass or Parthenium hysterophorus. It is also known by the names carrot grass because of its carrot plant-like leaves, white top weed, star weed, bitter weed, and so on. It belongs to the largest plant family Asteraceae that has over 32,000 beautiful flowering plants, like even the sunflower. The plant and its flowers might be small and pretty, but they can cause enormous problems. It is said to have been introduced to India with wheat that was imported from the US, but it's truly a menace now. It can produce chemicals that suppress crop production in farms. They can grow in very large numbers and choke the plants that are in cultivation. They can even cause contact dermatitis on touch and respiratory allergies in human beings. It's talked about in Bangalore as the allergy weed since it grows in empty sites, disturbed areas, and even on roadsides in abundance, causing asthma, rhinitis, and other allergies. The plant only grows to a height of about 1 to 2 meters with deeply divided lobed leaves, as you can see here. But the bad guys are the flowers that are arranged in large bunches on top, standing upright, each plant producing 15 to 25,000 seeds in the blooming season. These flower bunches are very light and so they can move in the breeze, dispersing these seeds so that the plant can spread very far and wide in these areas. Seeds are only about a millimeter in length and it germinates very quickly after the rains. During summer, these plants will dry up completely, but the seeds will stay dormant in the soil waiting for the rains to come. So everybody wants to eradicate them from their gardens or farms, and the best time to do it is before they flower. You have to uproot the whole plant. Do not cut the stem because they can regrow from the small stumps that are left behind. You can use the plants that are cut up to produce compost, or you can directly use it as mulch around the other plants. Chemical control is effective, but it can harm the other plants and also the soil. There's a very effective biological control that is being done extensively in India using the Mexican beetle or the Zygogramma bicolorata. These beetles feed on the small leaves, the tender leaves, when they're grubs or even after they pupate and become adults, helping in very effectively controlling the plant population. Though the plant is considered a villain, it has some medicinal uses in the treatment of skin diseases and stomach ailments. It is also used to produce biogas, green manure, and compost, as I mentioned earlier. Though it is a rowdy plant, it does have a good heart, like all of God's creations. So you can say hello to the plant next time you meet it on the way, but if it becomes a nuisance, you know how to deal with it. Thank you for watching.